The objective is I can condense and expand logarithms using the quotient property. What is the quotient property of logarithms? It says that log base b of m divided by n is log base b of m minus log base b of n. So here we are going to condense using the quotient rule. So we're going to rewrite this as ln. This is ln of 96 minus ln of 6. This will be ln of 96 divided by 6, which will just be ln of 16. Now we have log base 8x to the 10th power minus log base 4x squared. So we're going to use the quotient rule. And we will have log of 8x to the 10th divided by 4x squared. So this will be log 8 divided by 4 is 2. X to the 10th divided by x squared will be x to the 8th. So it'll be 2x to the 8th. Now we have log base 7 of the square root of 40 minus log base 7 of the square root of 5. So we can rewrite this as log base 7 of the square root of 40 divided by the square root of 5, which is log base 7 of the square root of 40 divided by 5, which will be log base 7 of the square root of 8. The square root of 8 is the same as the square root of 4 times the square root of 2, which will be 2 square root of 2. So this is log base 7 of 2 square root of 2. Here we have log base 3 of 8. We have to expand using the quotient rule. So 8 is the same as 16 divided by 2. So we can rewrite this as log base 3 of 16 minus log base 3 of 2. For number 11, we're going to rewrite this as ln of 3 minus ln of 4, because we already have a fraction formed. The one for this one's technically log base 3 of 16 divided by 2. Now we have log of x minus 7 divided by x plus 1, so that's going to be log of x minus 7 minus log of x plus 1. And we just want to include our equal signs. After this lesson, you now can use the quotient rule.